When you see the exhaust filter overloaded warning in your Ford, it means that the particle filter, which is known as DPF in diesel cars, is full of particles and requires cleaning. There are basically 3 ways to try and clean that filter. First of all, you may try driving over 30 miles per hour for about 20-30 minutes and see if the system will launch regeneration. The dash will say cleaning exhaust filter, and you shouldn't stop driving until you see this message off the dash. Secondly, you can launch forced regeneration, but in modern cars it often can be launched only through the good OBD scanner. And thirdly, there is a service in repair shops and dealerships to clean that filter. You can expect to pay over $500 in dealerships for this and between $200 and $400 in independent shops. Now, why would a particle filter get clogged in the first place? Well, this happens because the system probably couldn't have launched a proper regeneration cycle for a long time. It means you mainly drive in the city traffic with short distances and frequent stops. On average, regeneration takes about 10 minutes, and the process needs you to go over 30 miles per hour for at least 10 minutes. But when you already see this warning saying exhaust filter overloaded, drive to clean, you will most likely need some more time. So if you have a diesel car or a modern gas vehicle equipped with a particle filter, you should sometimes drive on the highway just to let this filter clean itself for free. If you see this warning in your Ford car and keep driving short distances for several more weeks, you may eventually need the exhaust filter replaced. The new DPF for a big diesel engine will cost you about $3,000 in the dealership plus labor costs to replace it. So it's worth paying attention to that warning, whatever it takes.